everybody, how's it going? I'm Zero.
I'm DK.
And I'm Rizzo, and today on Anime Reaction, we're going to be watching the 12th episode of Violet Evergarden.
We don't have any Kleenex on set. Oh wait, we have
we're
paper
good.
towels.
Paper towels.
We're good.
That's this thing.
Yeah.
Mm.
So this series was a lot more episodic than I thought it would be. Considering that it's supposedly based off a light novel.
Yeah.
Even though I know that it's not really following that much of the plot of the light novel.
That's Kiyomani for you, though.
Yeah.
They're not exactly the best at adaptations.
But yeah. Anyway. 3,
2,
1,
let's jam!
And apparently we weren't emotional enough during last week's episode, so we hired some ninjas to come in and chop some onions on set. We'll see if it works. This is the most boring game of Tetris ever. What the fuck is this shit?
It's a risk.
That does look rather inland. Huh. Oh, okay. Coastal city. Ooh. You can feel the tension.
Gee, I wonder who's going to be on that train.
Interesting scenario here. So either he's going to get the Violet, or Violet's presence is going to get to him. Or possibly both. Ooh. This is one big drama shitstorm waiting to happen.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking that him and his brother probably look similar enough that it's gonna freak her out.
Well, I'm fairly certain that Violet's met him before.
Yeah, the scene at the port, right? Or was that another long-haired military man?
Was it?
That was another military man. When Violet was brought to the Major in the first place, it was because of his brother.
Right.
Was it? Man, I just can't remember.
Also, anti-peace forces, they keep calling these guerrillas. How accurate? Cue sarcasm. Oh, please, this is a walk in the park.
Wow. A direct follow-up to the last episode, which is rather unusual for this series.
You guys are on ship Y?
Part of the envoy. They did say they'll have dolls going to the ceremony.
It'll never be that easy.
No, really?
Oh, it's a river route. Oh, okay.
Huh.
Uh-oh. Eesh. The face of not buying it.
The face of don't care.
The face of douchebag.
Also, that transition. Ooh.
It's quite the prison
You're
break.
going to battle wearing that. I bet it was... I can't find a good word for it, but I bet it was really, really stressful. They really love the time lapse. Why does she have the face on her that like she realized something's up? Yeah, about that.
Toasty.
But don't worry, that's just a coincidence. Ah. He may be a douchebag, but he's sharp. Man, this isn't a high priority bombing target at all.
Right? Don't worry, this will never get destroyed.
It's totally top of their list. Yes, it is. The town as well. Yeah? Ah. No, there's just smoke rising. Just a big hotboxing session.
As long as they're not going to get fired upon.
Oh, shit! Ruh-roh. That's a real bush pilot for you.
Right?
Screw it, let's do it.
What, you mean I got like 100 feet of runway? No problem.
Well, to be fair, it's not as if he's in that all-powerful an aircraft.
Yeah.
Not supposed to go this close to things, but fuck it.
Again, just like a good bush pilot.
Uh-oh. Serious business.
It's not safe up ahead.
Whoa.
Well, that's not going to happen. I can tell you that much.
Unless they're on opposite ends of the train. And congratulations, you're now just half a step behind the enemy.
Damn. The bridge. Well, the other problem is how you get in front of the train, because they'll either blow it up on the train or before the train.
Funny, I didn't hear them mention Violet. Well, nice knowing you guys. Oh. Ow. Ah.
Huh.
Masterfully done. Ass kicking mode. Activate. Only when we're alone. I'm a main character, unlike you.
A person.
Oh! You really want to provoke her? Yeah, nah. Oh. Go to sleep. Well, this doesn't look good. Oh, for them. Now's knowing you.
Metal elbow to nose.
Wow. Again, her reputation precedes her.
What? I can't hear you!
Moving train! Oh, this once I dispatch you guys. Wow.
It's still not enough.
So I'll just have to settle for kicking your asses instead. Yo. Ow, ow.
I'm surprised none of them shot.
Or fell off the train.
I don't think that they want to reveal themselves quite yet.
Ow! Oof. But yeah, everyone's still perfectly on the train. No one's fallen off it. Oh, hey. There's the guy with the bright idea. Oh, hell no! Oh, shit.
Ow.
Ow. Oh, finally. And down they go. Jeez. Nice heart and all, but oh. Bruh. Uh-oh. Useful. Get your Wonder Woman on. Huh?
That's it?
That's it?
Was that not the final one?
Did we fuck it up?
I think we fucked it up.
I think we fucked it up. Yeah. Unless they're going for an ending like The Sopranos or some shit.
That's not the right.
Whoa.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, we did fuck it up.
Oh,
Well,
okay.
shit.
So there's one more episode.
There's one more. Okay. Oh, thank goodness. Damn, hell of a cliffhanger to end on.
Okay, I was about to say, what the fuck? I have a feeling that we should have looked, you know.
Did a research.
Yeah.
And nothing extra. Whew. Okay.
Well, that was...
I'm pretty sure they named the town Intense, so you can't use it to describe anything that happened in this episode, but that's exactly what it was. Damn this writer. Ah, jeez. Mike still messed it up.
Oh well. Can't really do anything about it.
Yeah. I guess we're gonna have to wait till the episode airs. Shh. Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting bad guys.
You're not feeling easy about Violet's...
Not wanting to kill people?
Not wanting to kill people? I mean...
kind of...
Par for the course.
It's actually kind of a very established trope at this point. I don't know what it's called, but the pacifist badass or something like that.
But yeah, they could have just shot Violet, but I thought that they were still going for the element of surprise when they first confronted her.
Yeah. But only like a couple people seem to know exactly who she was. So I'm guessing after the ass kicking commenced, then they figured, oh, well, shit just got real.
Right.
But yeah, I'd expected a lot more gunfire during that scene. Like after the first guy goes down, like a sack of potatoes. Ah.
Well, I'm still going with the fact that they were still trying to be somewhat quiet at first.
Yeah.
And then they only started shooting once they realized that, hey, if we don't deal with this, then...
we're not getting off this...
Well, then our mission's going to fail.
Right.
Yeah. Also, yeah, Violet getting mad enough to use two hands. Ugh.
It's almost too bad that she decided not to kill anybody, because that would have just been badass, like him taunting or whatever, and she just goes...
Snap.
crushes his larynx.
Yeah. Like that one of the last scenes in the V for Vendetta movie.
Right. But yeah, it's like she has her mental hand around your throat, and you're still gonna taunt her.
Savage.
You deserve to die, you dumb fuck.
Nah, he's just being a savage. Laid him out though with a nice hook, but
right. That would still hurt.
Yeah.
Oh right, there's 14.
Ah.
14th episode comes later? Like much later?
God damn it.
Like a
I hate when they do that
movie?
shit.
Oh.
What?
He sees the boobies of Catalia. Don't get it twisted, Hrist.
Now I'm all sorts of confused.
I know. One site we looked at says 13. Y'all was saying 14.
We thought it was 12.
I have a 14. Do I have a 15? Going once, going twice.
Whoopsie. Our bad.
Yeah, we done fucked up. We thought this was the final one at first. Also, really nice transitions this episode. It's like the seagull flying, like gliding upward, and then it goes right to the plane. Or what's his nuts, Captain Bougainvillea. I'm sorry, but you just can't sound too manly when you're named after a flower. But Captain Bougainvillea looking over the map, and then it goes right to Violet.
Diet hard.
Bougainvillea. Diet hard.
Diet hard.
Well, he is in fantastic shape.
Yeah.
I bet he diets hard. God.
Oh god.
I'm sorry. I found that far funnier than it should have been.
Dad jokes.
Oh god. Total cringe.
Anyway.
But yeah, damn you, writer, for naming that town Intense, because that is the perfect description of this episode on so many levels. Good action. Well, okay. A lot of action. I kind of find it hard to believe that more people didn't fall off the train.
Right. Well, I mean, Violet was purposely not knocking people off the train.
Yeah, but I mean, this is funny. You know, when Diet Hard comes in and makes them die hard.
Right, just boom,
all
boom,
of a sudden,
boom.
Fall. You know, like how it should have ended.
Right. But yeah.
Also, yeah, the captain really pisses me off, but at the same time, like I kind of understand what's going on, especially when he almost blames Violet for the death of the maid.
Well,
yeah, he
does.
exclusively blames Violet for the death of his brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, I mean, of course he's gonna hold on that. He held on to that resentment. He's letting it out, even though their heart-to-heart was interrupted by gunfire.
But at the same time, the only reason why is because Major actually viewed Violet as a human, as an actual person, where Captain
Basically, everybody
Everyone
else
else.
does not.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a living weapon.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty much. He is a dick, but yeah. So,
if I was Violet, maybe I'd take Captain Dickface and just push him to a wall, and it's like I tried to yank your brother out of that place with my fucking teeth and no arms. Tell me I did not try to save your brother.
Fair enough. That would definitely get the message through.
yeah, but she can't communicate that well.
She can try and reenact it.
Or write a letter.
Oh yeah.
Or write a letter. Wow.
How do I? Why
That's
do I
just
feel
like-
that that's how it's going to end up?
Oh gosh.
She ends up
just-
writing him a letter.
That would be so anticlimactic. Just all of a sudden, letter.
It'd be perfect.
Wow.
Well, I mean, more of like an ending thing after all this is done.
Nice little epilogue.
Yeah.
She tries to get on good terms with the captain.
Yeah. But yes, one final joke on the name of that town.
Yeah.
I would say that this was fucking intense, but Violet and the Major never got a chance.
Oh. Ow.
So, let us know what you thought of the anime, what you thought of our reaction in the comment section below.
Thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you're interested in joining our Discord, look for it in the description below.
I can't let that slide. Zero, Hari-san. That's going to do it for this episode of Anime Reaction. As always, I'm DK.
I'm Zero.
And I'm Rizzo.
See you next time.